An already sick baby has contracted COVID in the special care nursery of the Women's and Children's Centenary Hospital. It's one of the few places which has allowed visitors throughout lockdown.
At this stage, we don't have a known source of transmission. That is something that the team's looking at very closely.
And that wasn't the only grim news today.
The ACT has recorded another COVID-19 related death. This is a female in her 70s.
The death of the woman who was a resident at Calvary Haydon Aged Care takes the death toll of this outbreak to 6. The ACT has recorded 28 new locally acquired cases. At least 5 were infectious in the community. 19 have already been linked, while the remaining 9 are under investigation. 16 people are in hospital, 7 of those are in the intensive care unit, and 4 require ventilation. Meanwhile, vaccine rates continue in the right direction.
We have reached a major milestone in our vaccination rollout today, with more than 95% of Canberrans aged 12 and over now having had 1 dose.
Now there are calls from the disability sector to include support workers in a mandatory vaccination proposal announced yesterday.
They do the same high-level care work and frontline work as people in hospitals and certainly in aged care facilities. I thought that it was a poor decision not to include them.
The ACT Health Minister says she's on board, but needs the Commonwealth, which runs the National Disability Insurance Scheme, to make it happen.
Unfortunately, the Commonwealth has steadfastly completely refused to even consider using its own regulatory power to take this step.
The Territory is expected to reach 70% double vaccination by the end of this week. Holly Tregenza, ABC News, Canberra.